Guess best advice I can tell you is don't throw away your scrap. This so happened to work out pretty perfect. Hi, and welcome back. You can tell from the little bit of video, I have a big storm moving in, so I thought I'd get out here and try to shoot one right quick. I'd hate for the power to go off, but I think there's a tornado warning just to the east of us, about an hour away, and the rest storm's moving south, and it's gonna hit us here any minute. So I guess as far as I can tonight, we're probably gonna try to build the new flange, and if we get built, we may try to tack it on. And like I said, I like to butt weld that. Maybe working on that corner piece, trying to get that little piece made. Figure we just bend a piece over and kind of put it in there and see how it fits. Other than that, might nip the corners, put the pan back in, kind of see how it needs to bend. Don't know if we get much more than that done tonight, since it is about to come a big storm, and I don't want to be out here if it's gonna be hailing or anything. So let's jump over there quick, and I'll kind of show you the gist of what I'm planning on doing tonight. Last time we cut that piece out, I'm gonna try to make that piece, and we're gonna use this piece to make this piece down here. I need to come back and kind of get that lip off. I'll probably do that as well. And if we get it built, we may try to just tack it. So it needs to be, well, it has to be longer than this. What I might do is go ahead and build this piece out, and that way we have this piece and this piece in there, and then we can just make a straight line with this piece that we build. So that's gonna be my focus tonight, getting that made. So let's get to work. I think that's all I got in me tonight. That's in there, and it's a piece of the Bronco now. I guess best advice I can tell you is don't throw away your scrap. This so happened to work out pretty perfect. This is actually flush right here. It may not look like it. So we're gonna have a good connection here between this and the floor pan. We're gonna have to come in here and make another little piece and connect it over here, slightly behind this piece, but I think we'll be able to make it work. Probably gonna make this piece next, and then we'll make this flange piece. Probably have to nip this off right there at the pan, just cut it straight out. But I'm pretty happy with how that fit. I mean, it does look bad through here, but I may be able to put some filler and kind of take up, smooth it out a little bit more. It's hard to get a sander through here, but I'll keep trying to get that ground down some. But yeah, doesn't look too great, but it's not going anywhere. So I'm pretty happy. Now you can tell the storm finally made it here. It probably dropped good 10-15 degrees, but this is like the calm before the big storm hits. So we got cats wanting in. I'll probably leave them in tonight. But yeah, I'm pretty happy how that turned out. So I need to do some finish work, and I think some filler will make that look a lot better. But it is stuck, so I'm happy. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I'm super happy with how that turned out. It was a lot better than I expected. I say just keep all your scrap until you know you're done with the Bronco or whatever project you're working on. Just so happened fit is the top piece of one of these inner fenders. No, it was the inner rocker on the passenger side. The bend that we didn't use actually worked perfect to kind of put in that spot at an angle. Really happy how that turned out. Like I said, we're gonna make a little piece to go from where the fuel selector gauge was to the part we put in. Get that little piece welded in, kind of ground down a little bit, and then we'll finally make the big flange piece. We'll see how much length we need to make it, because there's a big rust hole there, and I'm not sure how long it needs to be. But with those two pieces in, we can get a guesstimate on how long it needs to be. But anyways, continue on that. Hopefully we'll have that in next week. I plan on doing that little piece and the other flange in one video. And in the next video, we'll test fit the pan, probably cut the corners, and hopefully tech screw it in. And we'll see if we have to make any cuts around any screw holes or any kind of body issues that arise. Yeah, hopefully get tech screwed in, and then everything will fit all right, and we'll get our measurements. Probably, like I said, have to jack up the brace and maybe put a loop on the dash, and we'll get the brace leveled out before we tech screw it in. So once it's tech screwed in, it's pretty sturdy, so we'll do that. And then I may put I won't put as many spot welds as the passenger side, I don't think, unless y'all think I need it that many. But I'll put some in, and then I mainly just fill in, plug the screw holes. That seemed to work really well on the passenger side, so we'll try that again. But anyways, it's super hot in here, and it's starting to storm, and these cats are wanting their dinner. So if you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Something with the Bronco. Haven't been able to get the Camaro. It's been raining for like a month straight. You see my yard, grass is thick, and it's calling for rain all next week too. So it's been really weird here in Oklahoma with the weather. I've never experienced this much rain over this span of time. But hopefully it'll dry out, and we can mess with the Camaro for a little bit. We can start the Healy, but I gotta pull the battery out of the Camaro first. I need to get that turned over, or at least turn the engine over manually, and finish working on this. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.